Here at 12 News, we're always working hard to put Southeast Texas first. That means getting answers to your legal questions. It's time to ask the judge. Judge Larry Thorne joins us. Judge, it's been a while. Good to see you.
Well, it's great to be here, Jordan. It's good to see you. I still wish we were back in the studio so I could cut up with everybody.
Well, you got to stick around long enough for that to happen. Let's get to the questions. This first person says, I recently received a traffic ticket from DPS that says alleged speeding. The trooper was going in the opposite direction, and he saw that I was going over the limit, but he didn't officially radar me. What are my chances of getting the ticket tossed?
That's a really fun question. Number one, alleged speeding, I'm not sure is even an offense, and I think a motion to dismiss for a defective complaint would be appropriate. But speeding tickets usually list how fast you're going and how much over the speed limit you're going. If I were this person, I think I would ask for a trial. Remember that the the trooper has to prove that you were going more than the speed limit beyond a reasonable doubt. I mean, that's whether it's you're talking about a traffic ticket or a capital murder. It's still the same beyond a reasonable doubt. This trooper obviously didn't have any number in mind and can't testify how fast you were going. So
we'll see.
I will say one thing real quick. I found out that DPS officers are trained when they do their radar training to be able to estimate within 5 miles an hour how fast you're going. So I found that interesting. So whatever.
The second question involves an apartment lease. This person says, if my apartment complex no longer offers the same amenities as it did at the time of signing my lease, can I legally get out of my lease without penalty? Please advise.
Generally speaking, and I know everybody hates that, generally speaking, but I would say no. At this time, when you're dealing with COVID, the landlord has a right to try to protect you, to protect the tenants. And as far as non-essential amenities are concerned, such as swimming pools or gyms or hot tubs and things of that nature, they can say, okay, we're not going to use these amenities for a while until everything is kind of back to normal. Now, it's important to look at your lease, see if you're paying extra for those amenities. And if you are, I think it's within your right to ask for some kind of remittance or some lowering of your rent to make up for the lack of these amenities. But generally, no.
We'll have to pause it there, Judge. Everything, I guess, is negotiable in life, including apartment leases. It's good to see you. We thank you for your time and hope to see you again soon here. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
If you have questions for Ask the Judge, go to 12newsnow.com/askthejudge. There is a form that you can fill out right there.